In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete a administrator user account on Windows 11 computer. Before deleting a administrator user account, you have to sign in with a different administrator user account, and you have to make sure the user account is signed out from all processes. To make sure it, right click on taskbar, click on task manager, left menu pane, click on users tab. Here I have two users. I am signed in with this user account. I want to delete user 1. So I have to make sure sign out all processes from this user account. Right click on it and click on sign off. Click on sign out user. The user account is signed out from all processes. Close task manager. Now I want to delete this administrator user account. Right click on start menu. Click on settings. In left menu pane, click on accounts, scroll down, click on other users. Here you will find the user account, user 1 and its administrator. Click on the drop down menu here and you will find a button here, remove. Click on remove. A notification will be appeared. Deleting personal account will remove their data from this computer. Click on delete account and data, and the user account is deleted successfully. That's it. This is the easiest way to delete a administrator user account on Windows 11 computer.